What's good, guys? It's Ace.
And I am back with a new video for you guys.
As you can see by the title, we're gonna attempt 10 ways to roll by Pasha the Boss. Different video than I normally do, but it's actually kind of the same. Y'all know I just be doing different stuff. You know, change it up. Just be like that. Also, in this video, it's 10 rolls. I've tried a few of them. Some of them I have not tried. I'm going to keep on trying them until I get them. I believe I can do this first try though. So, 10 ways to roll. Pasha the Boss. Attempt. Let's see how this goes. Actually, let's get into it. Number 1, the suicide roll. I knocked all the wind out of me. But I'm gonna count that. Number 2, the clown roll. I'm not flexible, but I did it. Number 3, the Russian roll. I'm gonna count that, but I'm gonna go a little bit higher. Jeez. Number 4, bullet roll. Oh, that was ugly. I'm not flexible, but let's try this again. Oh, I feel like I'm doing that wrong. Yeah, I'm gonna count it. Number 5, Rondo 360 roll. I think that's what he said. I don't know if that was it. Try that again. More spin. This is attempt number 3. That was hard, but I gotta keep on going. Unfortunately, I can't walk on my hands, so it's kind of weird to know which way to turn.
But I'm gonna keep on trying. Like I said, I'm gonna keep on doing it, so I'll do it.
Number 6, Pasha roll. Shout out Pasha. Number 6, Pasha roll. Oh, I kind of did that, but it was just ugly. I'm gonna do it again. I'll call that a win. Number 7, shoulder roll. I feel like I already did that one, but that was it. I'll do it again because it was a little ugly. One more time. Oh, that was a shoulder roll. Number 8, Shaolin roll. Shaolin roll.
Shaolin roll. Maybe I'm supposed to do the other hand. Number 9, the lazy roll. The lazy roll. Last but not least, number 10, the 360 dive roll. The 360 dive roll. Oh, am I so scared? Oh, am I so scared? To be honest, I count that. Kind of hurt, but I'm gonna do it one more time. This is the last time. That took like 8 minutes to build up that courage. Woo! One more again, one more time. But there you have it, folks. Oh my gosh. I have attempted every roll that Pasha did. That was a great video. It was not easy. It wasn't easy. Woo! And if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed it, remember to like, subscribe, comment for more. And Ace out.